Hi everyone, I am now trying to explain the Kannada lessons for 3rd standard from Savi Kannada Patya Pustaka Bhaga 1 and we start with the first poem Tutturi written by G.P. Rajaratnam. Let's get into it. So, ಬಣ್ಣದ ತಗಡಿನ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡನು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪೊಯಮ್. ಸೊ ಬಣ್ಣ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಲರ್. ತಗಡಿನ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ, ತಗಡು ಆಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ತಗಡು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ತೆಳುವಾದ ಲೋಹದ ಹಾಳೆ. ಲೋಹ is mostly metal or iron, something like that. So this tuturi is made out, it's a pipe made out of a metal. Okay, so it's a colorful metal pipe which is nothing but a horn kind of a thing, a musical instrument. Kasige kondanu kasturi. So Kasturi is the name of this little boy who pays money. Kasu is money. He's bought this, paying the money. Sarigama padanisa udidanu. Sanidapa magarisa udidanu. So Carnatic music has this basic fundamentals called sarle verse, and you start from Sarigama padanisa and Sanidapa magarisa. These are the basics. So when you start out any musical instrument, that's what you would be starting out with. So that's what they have written here. ತನಗೆ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಇದೆಯೆಂದ ಬೇರಾರಿಗೂ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೆಂದ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೈಪ್, ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಪೈಪ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೆಂದ. ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ನಡೆದನು ಬೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಬದ ಕೋಳಿಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ is walking on the streets. ಬೀದಿ is street. ಜಂಬದ ಕೋಳಿಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, like a proud rooster, right? That's what in the morning roosters crow proudly. So that's how he is walking very proudly, that I have this. ತುತ್ತೂರಿ. ತುತ್ತೂರಿಯೂದುತ ಕೊಳದ ಬಳಿ ನಡೆದನು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಸಂಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಊದುತ, blowing the pipe or blowing his horn, he went near the lake. ಕೊಳ is a lake. ನಡೆದನು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಸಂಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. He is walking there by the lake in the evening. ಸಂಜೆ is evening. ಜಾರಿತು ನೀರಿಗೆ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ, ಗಂಟಲು ಕಟ್ಟಿತು ನೀರೂರಿ. So ಜಾರಿತು is slipped out of his hand and it fell into the water. ಗಂಟಲು ಕಟ್ಟಿತು, the organ, right, the musical organ pipe, it actually was choked with water. And gantalu kattitu literally means throat was stuck. So that's what happened to the pipe too. It got stuck. Sarigama oodalu nodidanu. He again tried to go for sarigama. He again tried to blow the sarigama tune. Gaga gaga saddanu madidanu. He's trying to do it in a nice musical way, but it is happening very hoarsely because the pipe is already filled with water and it is spoiled. ಬಣ್ಣವು ನೀರಿನ ಪಾಲಾಯಿತು, ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಬೋಳಾಯಿತು. ಬಣ್ಣ ಇಸ್ ಕಲರ್, ನೀರಿನ ಪಾಲಾಯಿತು. ಆಸ್ ಸೂನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫೆಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟರ್, ದ ಕಲರ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಅವೇ, ರೈಟ್? ಬಣ್ಣ ನೀರಿನ ಪಾಲಾಯಿತು, ಕಲರ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಬೋಳಾಯಿತು. ದ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ colorless. Bolu is something which has nothing, it is very ordinary, and mostly here it means it lost its color and charm. ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಹಾಳಾಯಿತು, ಜಂಬದ ಕೋಳಿಗೆ ಗೋಳಾಯಿತು. So what happened? ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ, now you know, is this colorful pipe organ is spoiled. The ಜಂಬದ ಕೋಳಿಗೆ ಗೋಳಾಯಿತು. ಜಂಬದ ಕೋಳಿ means this very proud rooster, right? He is in shock. He is in pain and he is in sorrow. Golaitu actually means sorrow, means he is in so sad. He is very sad that the whole thing is gone. So G.P. Rajaratnam is one of the most famous children poets ever Karnataka saw. So it's an honor to speak about his poem. Let us see padagala artha. Artha means meaning. Padagala artha. Kasu hana, which means money. Jamba, ahankara, right? Being too proud of oneself. Halagu, kettu hogu, spoiled. Saddu sappala, which is noise. Sanje is sayankala, evening. Next is tippani, which also means meanings, not one word meanings, like they are longer meanings, which we have spoken about in detail. Tagadu means ತೆಳುವಾದ ಲೋಹದ ಹಾಳೆ, which is like, and then ಕೊಳ, ನೀರಿನ ತಾಣ or ಕೆರೆ. ಕೊಳ means a lake, ಕೆರೆ. ತುತ್ತೂರಿ, ಊದುವ ವಾದ್ಯ, which is a pipe. We spoke about it, whole poem. ಸರಿಗಮ ಪದನಿಸ, ಸಂಗೀತದ 7 ಸ್ವರಗಳು. Yes, this is the basic. 7 swaras are the basic of music, and that is what you start out when you are learning any organ.